Hello, hello, my friend. Hi, everybody. If you are new here, if you are new to me, if you have never seen me speak, my name is Simone, and I am a marketing coach and a mindset mentor. And I founded the Online Visibility Roadmap. And this is really where I give back. It's a gift for my followers, for my audience that have been with me for a long time, and some that have been with me just for the last 6 months or a month or a week. I took the time to really build this roadmap because I've been working for many years in my marketing agency. I had a marketing agency called Simone and Company, where I helped mostly coaches, consultants of all sorts, real estate, financial advisors, professional organizers, all kinds of consultants and coaches of all types and all over the planet. And I help them with marketing online and also building their funnel so they could turn their followers online into clients, making money, right? That's the goal of the business, of course. I want to really welcome you first. If you're new here, welcome to my space. This is my gift to you. So today, we're going to talk about the 5 biggest mistakes I see entrepreneurs doing. And these mistakes, my friend, might be the reason why you are stuck, why you're not growing, why you have a client a month and no client 2 months and 2 clients in the 4th month. Okay, you don't have consistency on your business, and why you're getting unmotivated probably. Are you ready? So grab a pen and paper because you need to write this down. The first one, I said that, but it's part of everything in your business, is not being consistent. I cannot even start telling you how important consistency is in your business and in your life, really, right? If you want to get somewhere, if you want to get something, consistency is what is going to make you get where you want to be. I see a lot of people like this. Oh yeah, I worked on Facebook, Simone. You taught me how to do that. And I worked on it for 3 months straight. And then, you know what? I took vacation, or somebody got ill or something happened and I couldn't do it for a month. And then, it took me a while to get back to it. So I really wasn't there for 2 months. And then I went back. Sometimes it happens like for 2 weeks, people go all crazy doing things, and then they stop for 2 weeks. They get tired, they get burned out because they don't have strategies and tactics to do it in a way that really works, and it really doesn't make them overwhelmed, maybe. And this is just going to go against you. And here's why. People are distracted. There's so much stuff online nowadays, my friends. People will forget you. If you're not there consistently, people will forget you. And the second thing is, it takes consistency to build trust. Consistency builds trust. When you're not consistent, people start judging you, right? Oh yeah, she was sending newsletters every week, and now she's a month, she's gone, and now she's back again. Hey, what's going on? I don't want to work with a person like that, right? Because if she is inconsistent with their business, how they're going to treat my stuff, right? So there's a lot that go into that. But I just wanted to know that if you're not being consistent, that might be a big mistake that you are doing in your business. Now, the second one is as important. You are not investing in yourself or in your business. Not investing is great, so big, because, and when I talk about investing, I'm talking about money, but I'm also talking about time. Okay, because to build a business, you're going to need both. There's no other way around it. It is long term, right? The investing has to keep going. It's just going to be in different things, but it has to keep going. Third thing that you might be, third mistake you might be making in your business is really wasting time in a cave. And I know it doesn't make sense at once, but I'm going to say this. I talk to a lot of business owners every single day. And sometimes here's what I hear. Oh, I'm working on my website, so I'm going to wait for my website in order to launch my program or to even launch my coaching business, whatever it is. I am doing a land page. I am creating this program and doing that. And then I ask, how long have you been doing that? A couple hours? No, a week or 2 weeks or 2 months or 6 months. And I understand that, okay, because those are things that are important. I'm not saying it's not important, but more than that, what's happening when you keep doing things that are not generating business for you, because just staying in the cave, writing things down, creating content, creating this, creating that, and not putting yourself out there is safe. And you're going to hear me say a lot about brain science, because I am all into that. The brain wants to keep you safe. So it's always pushing away all the other activities that are a little bit more uncomfortable, that you're going to have to be in front of a camera, you're going to have to be on calls with clients. Those things are uncomfortable, right? Because you might receive a no, so many things can happen. So it keeps you in that cave. And in keeping you safe, it keeps you small. So I beg you, don't stay too long on those things. Now, how long is too long? To be honest with you, a website should be done, if you're starting from scratch, in a week. It's always going to be improved. You need to improve with time. You just get it done and put it out there. And I know we want the best for our clients, but your website, to be honest with you, is not going to be the biggest lead generator for you. And anything else, okay? There is a system for everything that you want to do, and it cannot take too long. Don't be inside that cave for too long, okay? Now, the fourth thing that I see all the time happening is this, and I was very surprised, because only when I started doing the retreat and started including the mindset, working on that, I realized that a lot of people were not taking the time to develop themselves, to grow themselves. And here's what I'm going to say, and just if you hear anything from this video, hear this. Your business is going to grow parallel to your own personal growth. Did you hear that? You cannot grow a business if you don't grow yourself. Now, certain things will make you grow, certain experiences, right? But it's so important that you grow yourself to grow your business, my friend. Make sure that you are growing yourself. And the fifth biggest mistake, not taking a break. I'm not that kind of coach that says, work 24, go for it, go for it. Yes, we have to work, we have our hours to work, but taking breaks is necessary for you to have energy, to reinvigorate yourself, to come back again and work. Take a break, take time to rest, okay? Now, I hope these mistakes that I mentioned will help you get awareness, or maybe what you're doing, or maybe what you have to fix. And if you need any help with more information about how to grow a business, let me know. Put in the comments if you like. I would love to know if you're doing any of these mistakes or what you intend to fix, okay? And I'm here every week. I hope to see you in the next video. So bye now.